Want to build an argument that actually works? One that can stand up to questions and convince people? It's not about being the loudest person in the room. It's about having the best structure. In the next 3 minutes, we're going to give you a blueprint for that structure. It's called the Toulmin model. Let's start with the core triangle: claim, grounds, and warrant. First, the claim. This is simply your main point. It's what you're trying to prove. For example,
Our study group should work at the campus library.
okay, that's a claim, but why? To make it an argument, you need grounds. The grounds are your evidence, your proof.
Our group should work at the campus library because it has all the reference books we need and free, reliable Wi-Fi.
Better. Now we have a reason. But here's the secret piece that makes it all work: the warrant. The warrant is the hidden, unspoken assumption that connects your evidence to your claim. In this case, the warrant is,
Having access to good resources and reliable internet is the most important factor for a successful study session.
if your group doesn't agree with that warrant, your argument fails. The warrant is the logical bridge. So that's your core: claim, grounds, and warrant. Now, let's make that argument bulletproof with 3 quick power-ups: the qualifier, the rebuttal, and backing. First, add a qualifier to sound more reasonable. Use words like probably or in most cases.
The library is probably our best option for the project.
Next, add a rebuttal. This is where you anticipate the objection.
I know it can get a little noisy during midday, but it's still our best option.
Finally, add backing. Backing is the specific evidence for your warrant. It proves your reasoning is sound.
Remember last week we tried working at that coffee shop? The Wi-Fi kept dropping and we got nothing done. That proves reliable resources are what we really need.
And there you have it. Let's hear the final fortified argument.
I know it can get noisy, but the library is probably our best option for the project. It has all our books and reliable Wi-Fi. And as we learned last week when the coffee shop's internet failed, access to good resources is the key to our success.
See the difference? We went from a simple opinion to a structured, persuasive, and thoughtful argument. So remember the blueprint. Start with a claim, support it with grounds, and link them with a warrant. Then power it up with a qualifier, a rebuttal, and backing. That's how you build an argument that works.